Hello, my name is Jim Horn from Solver. Today we're going to be looking at SAP Business One and BI360. In particular, we're going to be looking at how to add user-defined fields into BI360. So this is SAP Business One, and we're going to look at inventory, and we're going to look at the item master data. So we're going to bring over an item right here, and then we're going to go View, and we can see that we've added some UDF fields for color. So we have color 1, color 2. So if we go into BI360 in the report composer, if we go into inventory, and inventory items are a dimension, so we go into one of the fact sets. Let's look at warehouse journal, and we can go to inventory item. If we go and expand it, you notice we see nothing that says color there. So it does not have the customization, so we have to add that in. So we close report composer because the system caches, so any changes we make in the background, we have to reopen the program. We go to the admin tool, and we go to integration management, and we go to integration customization. So as we said before, items are dimensions. So let's go find items. We can look at the display name, or if you know the field. In this case, it's OITM, and we hit edit dimension. And we can scroll all the way to the bottom, and we can see all the empty fields. And the one we're looking for is U, and then color 2. So we can put a display name in here, but normally within SAP Business One, you put them in what's called terms. So what we do as just best practice, we click OK, and then Done. And then we export integration customization. This creates a file. This is basically a file that we can keep, so if we lose our customizations or remove our metadata or servers, we can just add this file and keep that. And then we just save that. And let's go out, and then we're going to go back in, so we make sure that that customization took. And now let's go rename it. So we're going to go admin, and then log into the system, go back into customization, and then go into what's called edit terms. So primarily in SAP Business One, we use edit terms because it's a multilingual program. So we have definitions in but 4 or 5 different languages. So we have customers all around the world, so that's why we use edit terms. It's a large file. It does take a little bit to open, so a few minutes. And we can go here under name, do contains, and let's just type in color, and we can see there's a file. So you can use your different dictionaries by languages. So I'm going to go here and just type in color, and then click done, and that's going to name it. I'm also, since I'm here, I'm going to add a separate module because I look at my inventory quite a bit, so I want a separate module with here. So these are the modules that are contained. I can go add a module and call this items. Okay. And then if I go here and go back in my integration management into my customization, I can go into my items right here, and I can actually, whoops, I'm sorry, I'm going to go back to my inventory module. So that's down here under eyes, OI, there it is. And then if I go edit dimension, I can go into module associations and then find my module and then click OK. Click OK and then done. And then normally it does save, but I always a best practice, click into my customization and then save it. I want to keep that file too. So now if I go out, and then if I go back into my report composer, this should load my customization. And see, now it looks different. I have customized integration. And it loads the metadata, and if things work well, I see my module items, and then I see my field called color. So let's go ahead and then see how that works. I go ahead and put my item number in, my description, and then I put in when I look through in the ERP, SAP Business One, and then I'll put in my color, and then I'll execute, and there it is, green. So that is green, and just to confirm, that's green on color 2. So that's how you basically go and add UDFs from SAP Business One into BI360. Thank you very much.